All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen. What the heck, man? I know a lot of people are scared. They are actually really desperate right now, whether to get in, whether to get out, when to sell, when to take profit, when to buy, all that stuff. Many newcomers and new investors of Zen are just panicking right now, okay? Let me tell you, I've been doing this for the past 8 years. I've been in crypto, somewhere around there. I've been in crypto since August of 2015. So I've seen the ups, I've seen the downs, I have seen the terrible downs, right? I have gotten hacked. I've gotten, of course, lost a lot of money into scams. I've invested into meme coins and it went to zero. Back in way early days, it was the IPOs, the initial, oh no, I'm sorry, ICOs, the initial coin offerings. That was the 2017 bull run. But hey, you know, I've been through it a lot. A lot of airdrops have happened throughout the time. A lot of great airdrops, Uniswap airdrop, 1 inch airdrop, and a lot more. The reason why I'm saying this is because if you truly believe in a project, it's going to be a bumpy ride, okay? There will be a lot of downs as much as the ups. A lot of people are saying this is a down coin, it has done nothing but down, so on and so forth. But then again, the mints, all of them, majority of them have, I think all of them actually, have been profitable, okay? So even if you minted in day 1, day 300, day 200, your mints are still profitable, okay? So it's looking scary. I know that, okay? But it's also looking exciting at the same time because the price is so cheap that you could, not financial advice, but start cost averaging even more as of right now. So on the chart that you guys see right here, I did have my supports, my resistance, as well as my 1334 moving average. This is on the daily chart. And as you can see, we did close. Let me zoom in more. I mentioned on the previous video, I said the candle needs to close above the support line. This candle right here, it it went too down. It went too low, okay? And then we opened up at the bottom of the support, okay? So we did go on and break down, which for me, I'm actually excited. That's perfectly fine, okay? I know a lot of people are especially the fudders and the haters of Zen, they're already coming on over to the YouTube channel and on my Twitter page. By the way, go follow me. It is CryptoAudiKing, okay? I'm more than happy to have a chat with you guys and be on the Twitter feed, see what else we can find and promote together on the Zen community side. So, look, this price right now is scary, okay? For me, I think it's like a 2.5x from the all-time low, somewhere around there. It's like 6 zeros and 6 9, 6 8, somewhere around there. Which, by the way, I did call the bottom. This is a second chance for those that missed it and want to get in around the same average. So it's like, is it really bad? Like, come on now. This might be the last chance for insane amount of gains in the future. Once Zen is harder and the mints are less, you need to mint longer term days in order for you to get more coins, and more burning starts happening, more projects come along, so on and so forth. It's a long-term project. It is going to take a while. Diamond hands will be the only ones to benefit from all of this. I can't wait until the next bull run whenever all of these coins on all networks start going parabolic, okay? And people are going to come back to this video, to previous YouTube videos, the video where I said the bottom was in, and they're going to regret not getting in around this average. So, hey, haters are gonna hate, man. The comment section are gonna be full of just, of course, negative people, of haters, and so on and so forth. But that's fine, man. It helps the algorithm out. While you're doing that, make sure you click that like button, subscribe if you have not yet done so. We're growing, man. We're a family. I feel a lot better from yesterday's video. Hopefully, Zen Shiba does really good. It is estimated to launch on June 3rd. So I'm going to have some MATIC Zen right now because it is very cheap, okay? I don't see why I wouldn't want to load a good amount because it's free. It's pretty much free overall. So looking good. The one support line that we do need to hold is the 1.5. Okay. That is the zone in which I want and I expect a really, really good bounce from. If that does not hold, yes, we are pretty much confirmed to retest the all-time low of 6 zeros and a 6.8 to give or take 6 zeros and a 7. Okay. Expect it. Only if this breaks. I hope you guys are paying attention to the technical analysis. I hope you guys are paying attention with the price targets and so on and so forth. Ever since over here, I was saying, guys, if 2.2 to 2.3.5, 2.33, whatever I was saying, is holding, it would be really good to cost average. Some of you guys agreed, some of you guys did not agree. And as you guys can tell, we were bouncing perfectly within this channel, within the support and resistance. Eventually, we broke down, okay? Because after so many retests over and over, one of them is bound to break either up or down, of course, duh. But this this time, it ended up being the downside. So I did have these lines here that I said it was going to happen, and then all these the project of Phoenix and Zendoge and all that stuff. I was predicting it to go up on it. And the 1334 are separating instead of getting closer. Now they're separating, which is not good. It's even bearish. Okay, so Zen right now isn't a bearish trend. It just gives you more of a chance to load up your bags, get cheaper Zen, and make cost averaging a little bit better. But hey, it's perfectly fine in my opinion, just as long as we hold that 1.5 area, which I do think we will retest. Okay, hopefully news comes out of another crazy project or from Jack, another small little breakthrough, more burnings than before, whatever happens in order for us to trigger back up, it would suck that we would actually break this 1.5. But at the end of the day, if it does happen, and if that does break, I'm pretty sure we're gonna retest the all-time low. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like a quick instant touch and we're back up, like this wick right here. I'm pretty confident on it. No promises, no guarantees. This is just my own personal opinion, my technical analysis side. What I have experienced is crypto is going to go down, crypto is going to go up, okay? And if you sell today, by next week, you could have been broke even. You could have been in profit. If you sell today and panic sold, next month, you could have been up 3x, I don't know, 10x. I'm just putting numbers out there. Okay, so just take all of this as a grain of salt. Invest whatever you can afford to lose, of course. If your mints are still profitable, I would I would claim, and hold, stake, continue doing the Zen NFT strategy that I have been doing. Look at this. I have 128 of the NFTs from the Pulse chain all together on the Pulse chain. I think right now, of course, the price is still going to go down, right? But right now, total wise, I'm estimated to get about $30,000. So, of course, the price is still going to go down, but I'm getting a really good amount of Pulse Chain Zen every single day. Like every time I log in here, I have like an extra billion Zen just from me waiting and holding and all that stuff. My strategy is every 5 days. I started from the top, which is 426 days, and I started working my way down. And the last day is, I think, 50 days or something like that. 62 days, which is going to be in July 23rd. I'm gonna start accumulating. I think another wallet has lower days. I think I'm actually in like 30 days. I'm pretty sure another wallet has more pulse chains somewhere else for Zen NFTs. It's still looking good overall, man. Those, I know it's scary. I know it's worrisome. A lot of people are gonna start saying, it's going to complete trash. It's gonna go to complete zero, so on and so forth. But hey, you think what you want. I'm still gonna believe in the Zen, and I know the Zen community that does believe in it is strong enough to overcome everything. We overcame this long journey right here, and we enjoyed this, right? We enjoyed it. Fantastic time. Now it looks like we might go through another phase, maybe a shorter phase of this right here until something else major happens, and then we will enjoy something bigger than what we saw previously. But that's just my own prediction. You know, if you want to buy some Zen, make sure you are in the right networks, the right blockchains, make sure you are in the right exchanges and you get the right coins from the smart contract addresses. Don't buy any fake Zen, okay? Please be very, very cautious about that. So either way, man, it is some scary times. These prices are pretty much back to almost a low, but if you took some profits like I did, then you're happy, man. Throughout the whole entire big pump over here, I was taking profit, okay? I was taking 10%, 20%. No, at one point I did take a whole batch of Ethereum Zen out of the way in order for me to pay for the wedding and the honeymoon and so on and so forth. And I sold on April 26th and April 29th. I had batch mints ready. And I sold, let's see, right here. Yo, you can't make this up, yo. That is truly just luck, okay? That's just a blessing. I literally sold 2 full batch mints of Ethereum Zen right here, the 26th, okay? The 26th and the 29th was whenever I had batch mints claimed and I sold it all and you know, and I took profits. I kept a little bit, but majority of it, like 90% of it, I sold for the wedding, okay? And I'm actually glad I did, all right? Now I can pretty much go back and purchase all the Zen that I sold way back here for a lot cheaper price, which is that's actually really cool, man. And I'm really fortunate to say that. I know a lot of people did not, you know, have the same luck of doing that. But the only reason why I sold was for the wedding. So if it wasn't for that, I would have probably just kept, you know, majority of it, staked majority of it, and of course I would have been not down, but I would have, you know, left some money on the table for me to enjoy. So, you know, I still think it's still really good for you to take some profits, something out of the way. A lot of people don't enjoy me saying that, but that's on you, all right? It's always good to enjoy profits with your family, your friends, with your pets, you know, getting a nice meal. I'm not saying to sell all of it. I'm not saying to sell everything, right? But I am saying to take something, 10%, 20% out of the table and just pay bills, right? You know, fill up your gas tank if you have to. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to help the community. I'm trying to help the YouTube community of Zen out. And if you appreciate it, then click that like button, man. Of course, there's always going to be haters. I don't mind it though. I don't care. But right now, it's the price. You have to keep an eye out on it, okay? It looks it let me actually start drawing. So we could come down here and retest this level right here. That's going to be very interesting to see here in the next coming maybe days, okay? But it is going to be scary. It's going to be scary whenever you start seeing the price being this low, but it's all some people, it depends on you. It can be positive or negative. I see it more positive because it's going to be cheaper Zen that you're going to be able to buy. You know, a 10x can happen literally out of nowhere. We've seen it twice already, okay? Keep that in mind. Zen has already done a 10x like twice. I forgot when was the last time it did it. I think it was like over here. So it was a 2 and then yeah, it was like over here it did a 10x. And then over here, it did an similar to a 10x from like here to here, something like that. But hey, the price, man. Whenever you look at the price at a macro level, not a micro level, but a macro level, it's still looking to be like in the very, very baby stages, which we are still in the baby stages. Okay. Eventually, years down the road, whenever people are only able to claim and mint 100 Zen, you know, it's going to be a long time from now, but people are going to only be able to mint 100 at a time or, you know, a few thousand at a time. Whenever right now we are enjoying millions and billions of coins coming in. Okay. Of course, a lot of them will be burned, a lot of them will be lost. Some claims are bound to be lost forever simply because people are going to get mad. They forgot about it. Unfortunately, people will die and they will not let anybody know about their claims. You know, you got to put all of that into perspective. Okay. Tomorrow, we don't know if you're going to be alive or dead. So all of your Zen could be gone tomorrow if you die. And if you put that into consideration within the whole entire world, that is a lot of Zen that's going to be gone and out into circulation. So that's just something I wanted to point out, man. Be safe out there. Put in whatever you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Take it easy, guys. I'm out. Peace.